For an H-1B professional, the green card is often the finish line. But before that finish line comes a process called PERM. According to sources, major enforcement actions involving OpenAI and Statsig resulting in an reported $3.2 million settlement over allegations surrounding recruitment practices connected to PERM applications. Well, the allegations are serious though. The PERM process requires employers to demonstrate that they have made a genuine effort to recruit qualified American workers before sponsoring a foreign worker for permanent employment. According to the sources, investigators allege that certain positions were made harder for American applicants to access, including through paper-based application, while other jobs were advertised digitally. The material also describes allegations that some positions were advertised through channels that could satisfy recruitment requirement without effectively reaching large number of potential applicants. Well, the companies denied any wrongdoing in the settlement though, but agreed to financial penalties and back pay compensation fund with the additional compliance obligations. OpenAI would pay about $1.2 million in civil penalties and establish a $2 million compensation fund, while also changing its recruitment procedure, accepting electronic applications and providing anti-discrimination training. Now ask yourself, why should an Indian H-1B worker care about what happened inside one company? They should, because enforcement, it really stays confined to only one company. When one major case attracts federal attention, corporate legal departments across the industries ask different questions. Are our recruitment records actually correct? Are our advertisements compliant? Well, did we follow every step here? Could our PERM files withstand an audit? And that can slow everything down. For an Indian worker already facing a long green card backlog, delay is not a small inconvenience for them. It can become a career problem. In fact, PERM processing, it was already taking significant time, and that additional scrutiny, it could make companies more cautious now. If the worker's H-1B clock is moving forward, while the permanent residency process is delayed, the pressure increases. So workers should know exactly where their PERM stands. Talk to your immigration consul. In fact, understand the recruitment timeline. Make sure that your job duty, employment record, and immigration paperwork are consistent. And do not assume that your employer's previous practices automatically guarantee your own case is safe. The era of treating PERM as a routine HR formality, it is definitely disappearing. And yes, once your green card paperwork is under scrutiny, there is another moment when your immigration status can suddenly come under microscope. The moment you land at an American airport. That's right, that takes us to our next story tonight.